morning, New Jersey. I'm coming to just get out this beautiful project in Clifton. I believe this is the amenity. Came out really nice. Wow, that's beautiful. Gas for rooftop units. $2 more. 5-star apartment, Clifton. Look at that. You just put a chair right here and you sit and watch the traffic and count how many cars drive by. Nice apartment with bedrooms, with full bathrooms, kitchen, master with bathroom right here, 2 sinks, shower, packable laundry, water heater, everything nice and neat. If you want to rent it, call me, I'll tell you where to go.